everyone, welcome back to Locks and More. This is your girl Stephanie. Come back at you guys with another video. As you can see, I told you guys, as I stated in the previous videos, we're doing a lot to our home here in Texas. We are redoing the paint on our back porch. See, this is, I will call it our sunroom slash back porch. And you see we're pulling everything towards this front. This is the floor. As you can see, my husband is moving everything to get it prepared for the painters to come. And I will not tell you all the color. I will wait for you all to see the color when it is done. And I just wanted to give you all a look. This is the before. And I will be back tomorrow with the after. I am so excited. I cannot wait to see this transformation. So, see you soon. So I wanted to show you all, I wanted everything to match so it could just make this whole entire room pop. And look, I am just so loving it. I'm going to change that wall socket out myself. I'm going to get gray. Baby, we might want to have them to paint that white up there. You see that white? So when you put that white cord, like they painted the rest. So this is how it looks. Got my husband standing here. But I love it when it pops off the brick wall, and I cannot wait until I get the furniture situated in here. A lot of this is gonna come out, a lot of the other little stuff. And you guys will see when we get done. There we go.
Anything else over here?
Alright. We'll be with the end result when they get done, and I have to get everything situated by the end of this week. Hello everyone, welcome back to my back porch, and I wanted to show you all that we are officially done. Well, the painters are done painting the back porch, and I just wanted to come give you guys an update. So here we are, the first set of windows. And as you can see, I did have them to paint the ceiling because I wanted everything to match, and so that it just makes the entire room pop with the brick, you know, just bounce with the brick and all that stuff. So there's the ceiling. And then you remember we did have the electrician guy come out and he installed this ceiling fan. And I'm gonna just keep going up on the ceiling for you guys. There we go. Now I'm gonna go back over this way right here. I am sorry, yeah, I do apologize if I'm moving too fast. So here we got this first set of French doors. Then I had them to paint the socket white because it was the color of the back porch originally. And in here, this is my cabinet, being the fact that we do have an outdoor pool. I always keep towels and sunscreen and insect repellent in here, and also activities for the great kids when they come over. And I'll show you guys that in the next video. Over here's the second set of French doors, and everything just looks really, really nice. And don't mind because I just, like I said, I'm coming to you guys just to show you the updated paint, what the paint looks like on here. And here, and here, there's a brick. And I love how the white just really offset the brick. The brick really offset the white and make everything just looks really, really nice. I am very, very happy. And then also, there's a thing, they spent a lot of time on this back porch, which they shouldn't have. It took 4 people to do this back porch. But I will get to that with you guys a little bit more when I get to my master bedroom and explain everything to you guys. But this is my back porch. And this right here is a vintage wine rack that is going to be another one of my projects that I'm going to sand down and restain and all that I'm gonna leave it the original color because I think that with the original color, it just makes it still look vintage. And so just gonna sand it, restain it, even clean up the knobs or find new knobs and probably that's about the only thing I changed on that. Here we go, guys. One more circle around.
He's got me looking quite beige, got me deep in the haze. There's no more compassion, no. Raise me, I need something fast, I need something to last and give satisfaction, no. Help me.
All right, thank you all, and that is our painted back porch. And I will get with you all when I do all the decor, add some plants back here, and all that good stuff. And guess what, guys? I see you all in my next video.